This advisory tells the pilot which runway the aircraft is approaching and is especially useful when operating into airports with parallel or multiple runways.
Approaching 28 right.
This advisory is issued between 750 and 350 feet above field elevation when the aircraft is approximately 3 miles of the runway, the aircraft track is within 20 degrees of the runway, and the aircraft is within 200 feet of the runway centerline plus the runway width. The advisory is suppressed between 550 and 450 feet to allow for crew and radio altitude callouts. It is not available below 300 feet, and all EGPWS alerts have priority.